take a seat. Come on in. My name is Lee and I'm the provider that will be seeing you today. It looks like I have for your chart that you're coming in with a breast concern. Does that sound about right? Okay, well let me get you checked in. Can you confirm your first and last name? Perfect. And can you confirm your date of birth for me? Awesome. Looks like you were last seen here about 6 months ago for your annual examination. Yeah, and you had your pap smear. I just have to go through your history real quick to make sure there's been no new changes. Excuse me. Any changes to your medical history at all? Okay. And then are you currently on any active prescription medications? Just the, well, yeah, you still have that hormonal IUD, yeah? Correct. Okay. Since 2022, right? Okay. All right. Any new surgeries that we should have listed? Right now it's just wisdom tooth removal, as well as it looks like you've had an EGD in the past. Okay. Haven't been under anesthesia since, right? Okay, cool. And then any changes to your smoking status or drinking status? Okay. Any change in your relationship status? Alrighty. Any new family history since we last saw you 6 months ago? Yeah, I just have the 2 paternal aunts, one with breast, one with uterine. Okay. Okay. So everything is up to date. Remind me how tall you are and how much you weigh. Okay. All right, so are you having any fever, chills? Okay, so tell me a little bit more about this lump. You've been doing the monthly self-breast checks. Excellent. You thought you felt it on the... Okay. Is it painful at all? Okay. Any redness or skin changes to the area? Okay. Is this the first lump you've ever felt? Notice it only when you lay down. When you stand, it's not as... Okay. If you were to describe maybe how large it was, what would you say? Okay, any other features that you've just made note of regarding that cyst? Okay. Okay, yeah. Sounds good. So for sure, then we'll do a breast exam today. I am going to want to take a look at both breasts just to kind of do like a side-by-side comparison with regards to how the exams go on each. Because of your age, you're actually, even though you don't get screening mammograms until age 40, because you are between 30 to 40 range, you'll get diagnostic mammogram and ultrasound. You'll get both to kind of evaluate that area. It's great you do self-breast exams because when you think about it, it's really the only way we'll get our screening if we actually feel something, because otherwise, you know, we wouldn't end up getting it till we're 40 for the routine. Yeah, no, so I'm so glad you came in, so glad you did those breast exams. I do, and speaking on personal experience, just like to remind all my patients that there are a lot of benign breast conditions as well, so having a cyst doesn't necessarily equate to something dangerous or bad, so just something to keep in mind, but it's always good to be safe. Especially when we're in our 20s and 30s, we tend to be a lot lumpier, more commonly found, you know, benign breast cysts, but we'll be sure and certain. Okay, so let me take your vital signs and then we will go ahead and do the breast exam. I'll just give you some privacy to put a little drape on there, but let me just put some sanitizer. All right, any questions at all? Okay, and were there any other concerns that you were having today while you're here? Okay, just want to make sure. You wouldn't mind flattening your feet for me. I'm just going to wrap this around your arm. Very good. just gonna grab this and then put this here. Okay, just going to get this started. All right. Blood pressure is normal. Let me get that extra air out for you. And if you wouldn't mind just sliding your arm out. Perfect. So blood pressure is good to go. We'll just get a temperature check now, and then we'll get started on your breast exam. All right. Yeah, no, it's been a pretty busy day here in clinic, but very productive, so I can't complain at all for sure. This is gonna go right underneath your tongue. There you go. The music playlist today has been interesting, I gotta tell you, but alrighty. Awesome. Temperature is normal. I'm just gonna grab an alcohol swab here to take this off. I'll get this going. Okay. Let me just take this off here. Perfect. All right. So temp and blood pressure are good. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna give you some privacy right now. You can, totally up to you. You can actually keep your shirt on if you want to. I did leave a white drape there for you though, and then we'll do an exam of both breasts, and we'll take a look to see what you've been feeling. Okay, all right, that sounds good. Well, I'm gonna give you some privacy, and then I'll be back in for your breast exam. Alrighty, are you all ready for your breast exam? All right, let's take a look. I'm just gonna draw a diagram here, and can you point? Is this breast? Okay. Okay. So this will be kind of like the control side. All right. Well, I am just gonna put some gloves on, and then we'll start with our inspection. You let me know if you ever get uncomfortable. Let me keep it covered here. I'm going to actually start with the side that's not concerning you, okay? Okay. I am just going to shine a light just to kind of see better. Okay, and I'm just going to lift this a little bit. You let me know if you need a pause or break. Okay. Just kind of taking a look at the general skin in the area to see if there's any obvious skin changes or abnormals. Okay. Not seeing anything. Do you mind lifting this arm for a second? Okay. So you are going to feel my gloves here. I'm going to start with our exam. See if I feel anything on this, but you said you didn't. Okay, just making sure. No tenderness, right? Okay. Not seeing any dimpling or nipple inversion. Do you mind lifting this arm up for me? I'm just going to assess for lymph nodes in the area. See size, shape, mobility of the axillary lymph nodes. Do you check those? Good. Okay. All right. I'm just going to do a little bit of a tapping here. You don't feel like you have reduced sensation, right? Okay, I am going to take just some general measurements of this breast just so I have an idea. Okay. Again, kind of like a comparison. Let me just jot this down. Shouldn't need too much since this is the normal. Okay. And then one more. Okay. Okay. Then I'm going to cover up this side here. The next side we're going to look at is the one that's of concern. Just going to take a quick look here, just at the skin, the area. Can you lift this arm for me? There you go. Okay. Okay, now we'll do the exam. I'm going to pressing here. Can you lift this arm? Start with these lymph nodes to size, shape, mobility. This area here, okay. I'm going to come back to that to get the appropriate measurements, but I do feel what you're feeling there. Okay. No nipple discharge or nipple inversion, no other obvious skin changes. I'm going to feel tapping. Let's take another look here at the area. Does it hurt when I press? Okay. So slight tenderness. Okay. It's about, let me grab my tape measure. It's about 0.5. Okay, 3. So we just have to kind of get accurate location with regards to the nipple here. So I'm going to be taking a few specific measurements for this spot. Just going to take a pen that'll help me get more accurate readings. Are you okay if I draw on you? Okay, thanks. And about right here. About right here. Okay. By the way, I highly recommend when you go in, since we're feeling the same area, if this pen marks off, please circle the area of concern, because they always will ask. It was something I did when I had to get an ultrasound, breast ultrasound, and I was so happy I did because I had a hard time feeling it the day I was getting it examined, of course. So definitely do that, okay? Kind of doing whole breast measurements now, so we have a full picture. Comparison. Okay. We're almost done here. This breast up here, so I definitely see what you're talking about. So you'll definitely want to go ahead and do some further imaging for you. Okay, let me grab my script pad here. So like I was saying earlier, because of your age, this is going to be a diagnostic mammogram and ultrasound of that side, so unilateral. And then before you go in, definitely take a pen and recircle the area in case it does wash off. This is the number that you're going to call to schedule, and I'll make sure to put an electric order in for you as well, so they kind of see, you know, what area I examined and which one we want further evaluation on. They will also kind of have standard prep stuff emailed to you on how to prepare for that, and then I will call you once the results are in. If you need a biopsy, me and you will talk about it and make sure we get that scheduled for you. But otherwise, you are all set today. I will leave this here for you. I'm going to give you some privacy to get dressed, but do you have any questions as far as the plan? Seems pretty straightforward. Okay, awesome. Well, I am going to go update the girls at the front desk, and then they will see you at checkout. You're so very welcome. I'll see you.